Hey guys, hope you're staying safe. In this video, we're going to talk about TasteNFT project. I'm sure that you've heard about it. By the way, I have to say that this is not a shitcoin. This project has a plan, interesting plan, that we're going to talk about it. This project is not a shitcoin. They have a good team with them. They have a good media, and I think they will have a really good future. We're going to talk about it. Don't worry. I'm going to tell you why you have to invest your money, not all of your money. This whole video is not a financial advice, but I'm going to suggest you to invest not huge amount of money, just a little. Why you have to invest your money in this project, and let's go and talk about it. Well, first of all, I have to say that, as I said, this is not a shitcoin, and I believe it's going to be listed on a lot of exchanges. They haven't listed on any special exchange yet, but they're going to list, and this is a really positive point for them, because we know that this is a good project. This project is going to be listed on a lot of exchange, and they haven't listed it yet. This is a good hunt for hunters. And the
first exchange that it's going to list them is Bitmart.
As they said on their Twitter, they made a contract with them. They're going to be listed on Bitmart something about 5 or 6 days later. Let's go and visit their website. This is their website, TasteNFTs.com. Let's go and check it. Well, at the first look, you see their news. They had a live. We don't care about it. Let's talk about their plans and their vision for this cryptocurrency. Okay, the TasteNFT project will establish a decentralized NFT marketplace for the best sensual content available on the blockchain. In pursuit of this objective, TasteNFT will partner with artists, photographers, and content creators from various industries to host exclusive sensual artwork on the platform. This adaptable business model will carve out a niche for TasteNFT within the emerging NFT market and also provide the project with a natural avenue for future growth and expansion. Furthermore, the Taste token will be fully integrated within the TasteNFT marketplace, which will offer content creators, customers, and community members with a sustainable built-in use case for the tokens. The TasteNFT marketplace will be complete and ready for launch in 2021, which is already ready. Okay, let's go down. It's the resources. Let's go to their white paper. Let's read their white paper and see. As you can see, they have a white paper which is really good. It wasn't same for Shiba. If you think about it, they didn't have a white paper. We waited a lot of time for them to introduce and talk about their white paper and publish their white paper, but they already have their white paper, as they say, taste paper. They talked about their vision. We talked about it. This is a really good project. They have their roadmap here, and let's go back on their website. Their total supply is 1 quadrillion taste tokens. They have 1 quadrillion taste tokens, which is this could be much less, but there's no problem because they have a plan for burning their tokens. 300 trillion taste tokens burned prior to launch, and they're going to do it more and more. They talked about their marketing and their tax. They're going to add more tokens. If you're holding it on your trust wallet, we're going to talk about that, how you're going to buy this project. If we go down, they talked about how to buy Taste. Download MetaMask with Trust Wallet. We'll talk about it later. This is their roadmap. They talked about their launch. They CEX listing. You can now trade Taste in USDT on Coinsbit. CoinMarketCap listing. They're already listed on CoinMarketCap. They talked about their marketing campaigns. This is their team, Michael Owitz, if I'm not making a mistake, their founder and their CEO, Nadina and Hicham Dira, their community manager and their founder and CTO. I checked their Twitter, so you shouldn't be worried about if this project is Ponzi or not. I don't think so. They're not. as I said, this is a good project, interesting project. As they said, I think they haven't upgraded their website because their holders are more than this number. Their Telegram members, we're going to check their Telegram too. And yes, that's it. These are some of their NFTs. We're going to hear more about this project, believe me. Okay, let's go to their Telegram. Telegram is one of the most popular social media in the world. That let's go and visit them. They have a really active Telegram group, which is really good. They're holding more and more voice chats every night. This is really good for a project like this, like Shiba, like Feg. If you remember, they all pumped and they all had a really active Telegram group. This shows that they have a good marketing managers. They're doing their job well. They're really active. They're posting more and more images, more and more gifs, more and more. I don't care about their contents that they're putting on their Telegram channel. The point is they have an active Telegram channel. This is really important. We have a lot of different cryptocurrencies groups on Telegram. Their fans are there, but they're not active. They don't really care about it, but they are active. They're posting different stickers, different gifs. They're posting second by second their charts of this crypto. If I don't know, yeah, they're going to be successful. Buy this. I'm telling you, you can buy this project. Let's go to their Twitter. This is their Twitter account. By the way, I forgot to say that they have 16,000 members on their Telegram, and they have 11,000 followers on their Twitter. This is their contract, as I said, that they signed with Bitmart, one of the, we can say, popular exchange in cryptocurrency world. Yes, this is the contract, and you can see they want KuCoin, they want Binance. They have an active Twitter account, which is really good news for them. Let's go and review their charts. This is their chart for the last week. They had a pump something about 3 or 4 days ago. They're here right now. Believe me, it's going to have more and more pumps. These prices are not the prices that I have on my mind. I don't know if you know how to buy things with contract address on PancakeSwap or not. So I'm going to show you this. This is a contract address. You have to copy this. Okay, I'm going to tell you how to buy TasteNFT. And please do not forget to like, subscribe, and tell me your opinion about this project on the comment section below. Let's go and buy some of this TasteNFT. To be able to buy this NFT, you have to go to Trust Wallet, and you have to have some BNB on your Trust Wallet. So you have to tap on receive and add some BNB from other exchanges to your Trust Wallet. When you did it, you have to tap on more, and the last option, swap to Smart Chain. You have to swap your BNBs to Smart Chain like this. I'm swapping all my BNBs to Smart Chain. You tap on swap, and in the next step, you confirm it. To be able to do next steps, you have to use an Android device, because in the new update of Trust Wallet on iPhone, you cannot use the apps in your Trust Wallet on your iPhones. So we're going to change our device to Android. You have to go to the app section, PancakeSwap. You have to connect your wallet, so you have to tap on Connect Wallet and then Trust Wallet. Your wallet is connected. You have to choose BNB for the first section and paste that contract address that we copy and CoinMarketCap here. On the second part, you have to set the slippage of 12, and then you're done.